What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this sleek bomb high puff. It's quick, simple, and cute, and if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So the products I'm going to be using today is Edge Booster. I believe this is the pineapple scent. I'll be using some Eco Salad. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil. I'm going to be using a spray bottle or misting bottle, a silk scarf, and then I'm going to be using this cut piece of stocking as my ponytail holder for when I put my puff up. I'm going to be using some bobby pins. I actually didn't use them, but you may need them. I'm going to be using a hard and soft bristle brush, edge brush, and then lastly a detangling comb. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your hair wet. This is an old wash and go. If you guys are wondering what I'm starting off on, this is an old wash and go. And I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm just getting my hair wet. It doesn't need to be drenched, but it does need to be damp or it's probably going to break. So make sure your hair is nice and damp before you start this style. Once you feel like your hair is pretty damp, it's time to tackle that shrinkage and stretch your hair out. So how I stretch my hair out is literally by just pulling my hair out. I had a bobby pin left in my hair. That's what I'm doing right now. But I'm literally just pulling my hair up and out, up and out. And I'm kind of pulling it in the direction of my puff, so it's easier to slick it all down in that direction. But yeah, shrinkage is terrible, and you definitely want to pull it out when you're doing a puff if you want your puff to be full and have a lot of volume. This is literally how I get the most volume out of my puffs without it getting frizzy. So I'm now taking my detangling comb and I'm just kind of combing the back up in the direction of my puff, and I'm still going to be pulling it out in between. So I just kind of rotate between pulling it with my comb and pulling it with my hands until I feel like it's fully stretched out. So now I'm going in with my Eco Styler and I'm just going to put a generous amount all around my head so that I can start brushing it down. For this part with the Eco Styler, I am using my hard bristle brush, and after I finish with the Eco Styler, I'm going to go in with my Edge Booster, and when I go in with my Edge Booster, I'm actually going to be using the soft bristle brush. Just want to tell you guys how I did get this piece of the stocking. So I did cut the top part of a stocking, and then the toe part I would have showed you guys, but I did not do it today. This is an old piece. and then it gives you this nice flexible stocking band, and it works perfectly for puffs. Like, it's literally perfect. So I'm gonna start in the back, and I'm only gonna push it up a little bit in the back, and then I'm gonna tie it in the front, and I'm gonna push it up a little bit in the front. Like, when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. This is a really slow process. You don't want to go too fast, or you might end up with lumps, or you might end up with hair not exactly where you want it. So I'm pushing it up in the back a little bit more, closer to where I'm actually gonna have it. I'm gonna take the two pieces in the front, pull it a little bit tighter and further up, and I'm gonna tie it in the back. So now, once I tie it in the back, I'm gonna push it around more to get it exactly where I want it. And this is how you make it look a lot bigger and make it look like there's a lot of volume in your puff. So now I'm gonna tuck those two pieces underneath, and then I'm gonna start on my edges. So I'm just going in with some edge booster to do my edges, and I'm only going to do 2 swoops right here and then 2 swoops by my ear because I don't want to do too much. I don't really like to do many edges with my puffs, but that's what I'm doing right now with my edge brush. So I'm now going to take my silk scarf and I'm going to lay my hair down for at least 10 minutes, but it's better if you do it like overnight or whatever so that it can completely dry. But this will get it dry enough to where your edges don't move if you at least let it lay down for like 10-15 minutes. This is how it looks once I took my scarf off. It's nice and sleek. I got some waves going. You can just fluff your puff out as needed or however to your desire. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.